Legal trouble in HR is a nightmare for businesses of all sizes, and today I'm going to show you how to avoid it with smart HR systems. Stick with me for the next few minutes, because I'm going to walk you through some key strategies and the smart software that can make a real difference. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a system that protects you, your employees, and your bottom line. One of the biggest risks in HR is mismanaging employee data and records. Traditional methods like paper records or even outdated digital spreadsheets can leave you vulnerable to errors, legal complications, and even fines. A smart HR system can help you organize employee data securely, ensure compliance with laws like GDPR, and avoid costly mistakes. The software we'll be using today takes care of all this by automating data collection, storage, and retrieval in a way that's both organized and secure. Now, let's talk about compliance. It's easy to overlook compliance with labor laws, but one mistake can lead to a lawsuit or a fine. This software keeps you up to date with the latest local, state, and federal regulations, so you never have to guess what's required. With automated alerts and reminders, you'll be alerted when it's time to update policies, renew certifications, or make sure your employee contracts are in line with current laws. This way, you can focus on running your business without worrying about compliance. Another key feature of smart HR systems is payroll management. Manual payroll processing can introduce errors, resulting in overpayments, underpayments, or missed tax filings. This software automates the entire payroll process, ensuring that employees are paid accurately and on time, while also calculating and submitting taxes automatically. This minimizes legal risks by keeping you compliant with tax laws and reduces the chance of employee complaints. Let's talk about employee tracking and performance. If your business is still tracking employee attendance or performance manually, it's a huge potential liability. It's easy to overlook issues like unpaid overtime or inconsistent performance reviews, and this can open you up to legal trouble down the line. With smart HR software, attendance is tracked automatically and performance reviews are streamlined and consistent. This ensures that all employees are treated fairly, and it protects you from any potential claims of discrimination or wrongful termination. Lastly, when it comes to hiring, smart HR systems offer tools that can help you avoid discriminatory hiring practices. By using standardized templates and interview processes, this software ensures that you're assessing all candidates fairly based on qualifications alone. It also helps you store all recruitment records securely in case you need them for future reference. This is a huge step in preventing any potential legal issues related to hiring practices. The key takeaway here is simple. Avoid legal trouble by embracing smart HR systems that automate compliance, payroll, employee tracking, and hiring processes. These systems save you time, keep you compliant, and protect your business from potential legal risks. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that if you want to try out the software I've shown today, there's an exclusive free trial available in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so make sure you grab it and follow along to see how much easier it makes managing HR. To recap, automate your employee data and compliance, streamline payroll, track performance with ease, and ensure fair hiring practices. This will minimize legal risks and keep your business running smoothly. Don't forget to check out the free trial in the description if you want to give it a go. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.